What's up, guys, and good morning. I am up here on Clark today. I'm going to be checking out an area that I've always been wanting to get into, but I hadn't been able to get into this area. Yesterday, Lut and I were up here riding around. We managed to get up in there. Didn't have my camera, so I'm up here on my bike, so you can kind of see it, get a different look at it than me just driving around in the car. But to be precise, I am at the old Wagner Elementary School. I know I got subscribers that have went to Wagner Elementary School, so here's where we're at. Go Wagner. Plus, they also have subscribers who sent their kids to Wagner Elementary School, but that's not what we're here for. We are here for this across the street. You can see these buildings here, these buildings here, building there, building there, building up top. That whole entire area has been under construction now for 4 or 5 years. And just yesterday I managed to get up in there. The casino's open. Lut and I went to the casino. I'll show you all that. But man, it is cool up in there. That's what I'm here to show you guys. This major construction. Those that went to the school probably looked out over there years ago and it was all just mountains and jungle and everything like that. So that's where we're heading. I'm going to start at the very top and work our way down. So anyways, guys, you know what, it is unbelievable the construction that's going on up there. So let's head to the top and work our way down. All right, guys, we have made it up to the very top here. The very top up here is Clark Sun Valley Golf Course. All the way at the very top of this mountain. Check it out. This is it. This is open to the public right now. You can golf. You can come up here. So if you're a golfer, it's all you. Come on up. Let me kind of show you around here. I mean, the view up here is just awesome. This is the opposite side of Clark. Clark would be to your left here, but this is the opposite side here. All your mountain range out there. You guys see it. I mean, the view up here is just phenomenal. I mean, the camera can't even take it all in, but that's that side. I know you can, there are roads that run over there on that side that take you back into different areas, but I guess that would be the mountaintop right there. But anyways, let me show you now. We're looking down into Clark right now. The golf course is up here. It's huge golf course up here. It's like you wouldn't even know it exists. You wouldn't even know something like that is here unless somebody told you. You know, because this at one time was just all mountains. It was all mountains. Now, we came up that way, but look at this view down here. Like I said, words, camera can't even describe it. Down there, like, kind of like down there, where those buildings are, is where Wagner Elementary or Wagner Middle School was. But like I said, they've been doing this now for 4 or 5 years easily, all this construction up in here. But I'm going to take a ride down, let you see the ride down. I'll talk a little more and explain what I've learned about this whole area. But wow, what an amazing view. The breeze up here is just great. On the way up, you seen the guard, he stopped me. I asked him where we were going, because when I initially came in, I told him we were going to the casino. I didn't tell them, hey, we're going to the golf course, but the golf course is open. So if you want to come up and golf, when you come in the gate, just tell the guard I'm going to the golf course, and they'll let you in. It's open to the public, and also the casino down there, which I'll stop and I'll tell you more about the casino. But check this out. What an amazing view. CCTV cameras here. Amazing view. All right, I just walked over here on the other side. I want to show you. This is the side away from Clark. This is the other side of the mountain. And I don't know if you can see down in there or not, but that's all the golf course is all down in there also. All the way down through there it stretches. Amazing. You're not going to walk that. You're going to take a golf cart through that. But that course stretches all down through there, all the way around here, and then all the way over there on the side where Clark is. It's just huge golf course. Maybe, I don't know, I'm not a golfer, so I don't know. Is it small? Is it big? But let's put it this way. To golf through here, the views you have, amazing. All right, guys, we are rolling out of the top here. Here's what I know. Look at that. You see the name D Heights all over here. From the information I was given, D Heights is the main, their name is the main name here. Now, of course, you have other investors in here. Well, look at them golfing down there. I'm not a golfer, but it's amazing view. D Heights, from my understanding, it's a Korean company. This whole area up here has been developed by a Korean company, D Heights. This is part of the CDC, the Clark Development Center. So, you can't own land in the CDC, from my understanding. This is government land. What they're doing is they're leasing these lands. From my understanding, they're leasing this land for however many years, 50 years or whatever, with the option after the lease to renew that lease. That's what I was told. We're going to come down here, and they've got housing, condos being built, the casino, Hilton Hotel, which is attached to the casino. So evidently Hilton has put their name in here. But there's these houses right here in front. I'm going to try to get up in there. I'll go down to the guard that stopped me and see if I can get up in there and look. Because those are homes up in there. Look at that view. The camera can't even pick up the beauty of this view. I mean, you can see all out through there. All brand new roads, filtering systems. I mean, this was a big project. You figure you have to run electric up there to the top, to the golf course. You got to run water up there. All that had to be done, had to be ran up there. It's a big project. And there's quite a bit here that is still being built. Not all of it is completed yet. All right, let me see. Of course, you always got to have the nice speed bumps. Wouldn't be the Philippines, wouldn't be roads without the nice speed bumps. All right, here's where the guard stopped me. I'm gonna stop and talk to him. I was gonna flat out ask him, hey, can I come up here and look at the homes up here? Hey, Kuya. Hey, I have a question for you.
Okay, I will park you.
Oh, you need me to move? Are they good?
He wants me to move. Hey, move.
I have a question for you, Kuya.
Okay, sir.
Can I go up in there and look at the homes?
Okay, sir, because you will go to enter villas, you will go to PMO office.
Go where?
PMO office, sir.
The,
PMO.
the main office.
Yes, sir.
So I can't go up there and look unless I clear it through the main office.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I understand. Yeah, I've watched all this being built over the years, and
Villas.
yeah, they look nice. Are they nice?
Very nice, sir.
Very nice. So
to look the
clear it
area.
through. Where is that at?
Yes, sir. Looking to the hotel.
Yeah.
Yes, over there, sir.
Okay. All right. Are there homes still for
No,
sale?
The casino, sir.
Yeah. I'm gonna go to
over there.
casino. Oh, okay. Are there homes still for sale?
Yes, sir.
There is.
Yes.
All right. I just got to win the lottery.
This one.
Yeah. That's a lot for sale.
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
There it is. There it is. Clear it through.
Very nice.
Thank you. Clear it through the main office. Not today. Maybe some other time. But here's another thing right here. Singapore School, Clark. The Singapore school. But check that out all down through there. It's all condos being built in there. I'll have to connect with the main office, do another vlog on it, show you all the places for rent, the condos up top there. So guard was very nice, very nice. Watch yourself. You can see to the right there, there's 105, 108 building still under construction. Let me get my mask up because I know it's nice to breathe the fresh air up here too. Right there to your right, we'll go down in there. That's the Hilton. The Hilton and the casino. It's the Hilton Hotel and D Heights Casino. The name D Heights is on the casino portion of it. Then you have the Hilton, which is attached to the D Heights Casino. All right, guys, now I'm standing outside the Hilton Hotel and the D Heights Casino. Here it is. The Hilton is still being renovated. I looked in there yesterday. It's still being renovated. That's a ballroom. That area is still under renovation. The only thing that's open is the casino itself. Let me show you here also the condos here. I'm gonna take a little walk. I'll tell you what I know about it. We went into the casino. Of course, you're not allowed to film in there or anything. No casino allows you. But we went in there. You have to sign up. They give you a card. It doesn't cost you anything, you know, like a rewards card when you stick it in while you're playing. You get that. The lady told me that everybody now has to sign up for it because of the COVID and the tracking system and all that. You go in, sign up, give you your card, and they give you 200 peso voucher if you're playing the slots, and I think 500 if you're playing the table, free of charge. They give you a little gift for signing up, and that's it. We didn't stay in there long. I'm not a big casino guy. I'm not a big gambler. I don't like to lose my money. I'd rather make money than lose money. But they gave us 200 pesos. I played a little bit, Luke played a little bit, and obviously we didn't win because I'm still vlogging, but it's nice in there. It's a nice little casino. You can see out here, there's a little lake down in there with a walking trail, but directly across here is Wagner Elementary School. Wagner Element, directly across there. So you guys that went to Wagner, check amazing what's being built here. The lady also told me somewhere over in this area they just broke ground for new buildings But way up on the hill up there, that's the area I asked to go to. That area I want to check out. I'm going to definitely get with the developers or whoever you have to get to, the housing people, and see if I can go check these out on another vlog. But awesome, isn't it? I mean, who'd have thunk, right? Who'd have thunk that all this would be going on here? And it's amazing because as you're coming down, you know, the road coming into Clark, and you look up here, you can see all this. It is just so massive and big. But anyways, there it is, the Hilton D Heights Casino. All right, we are heading out. Just came from inside the casino there. I'm going to take a little ride down here. Show you another area. They told me December is the projected date for the Hilton to be open. That's the projected date. I guess time will tell. All right, guards are very friendly. But these in front of us are condos. I was told this is all condo living. Who is living in there? I have no clue. I'm going to turn right here. These are more condos being built up in here. Like I said, who is living in these? Who's buying into all this? I don't know. To the left is housing. Kind of looks like that would be staff housing up in there. All this is being built. Wow. And there's nothing else up here but a dirt road. I'm going to turn around. Just wanted to kind of come up here, show you. Even straight ahead, you can see structures are going up. But look at that. Talk about a room with a view, huh? Unbelievable. I'll go out this other gate here. And I will, one of these days, talk to the office and get in there and make an appointment to check out these condos, the insides, the one up on the hill. So I'm going to come out. There's a gate right down here. I haven't been out this gate. Guys, the casino's open. Come up, check it out if you're in Angeles. If you're not, well, I guess you gotta wait until you can get here. This is the other gate. Right here at the Wagner School is right there on the left. Say anything to me as I exit. Just give me a little wave and away I go. All right. Right down there to the left is Wagner Elementary. Anyways, guys, I think I'm going to wrap this one up. Let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts on the place. And I'm heading home. And once again, take care of yourself, each other, the sick, the elderly, and the young. If you have pets, take care of your pets. And we'll talk to you later.